To pay for Apollo Group TV using Cash App, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. If you do not have the Cash App, download and install it from the App Store. Once you have the app, create an account if you are a new user or log in to your existing account. Next, navigate to the Apollo Group TV website or mobile app and select the subscription plan you wish to purchase. Choose the payment option that allows you to pay with Cash App. You will be redirected to a payment page where you can enter your Cash App details. To complete the payment, you will need to have a sufficient balance in your Cash App account. If you do not have enough funds, you can add money to your account using your debit card or bank account. Once you have enough funds, enter the required details, including the amount you wish to pay and your Cash App PIN or password. After entering your details, review the payment information to ensure everything is correct. If all the details are accurate, confirm the payment. You will receive a confirmation message from Cash App and Apollo Group TV once the payment is successful. It is essential to note that you should only use the official Cash App and Apollo Group TV platforms to make payments. Be cautious of scams and phishing attempts that may try to trick you into revealing your personal and financial information. Always prioritize your account security and use strong passwords and two-factor authentication to protect your accounts. By following these steps, you can easily pay for Apollo Group TV using Cash App. This method is convenient and secure, allowing you to enjoy your favorite TV shows and movies without the hassle of traditional payment methods. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and monitor your transactions to avoid any issues.